Is the Cash App wheel game a scam? Stay tuned to find out. Hey, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to tell you if the Cash App wheel game is a scam or not. So what is the Cash App wheel game? So the Cash App wheel game is a scheme where you're supposed to send $100 to the person that's in the middle of this wheel, in this circle of people, and then the person will get paid from 8 people that they recruit, and so they make $800. But if they don't recruit 8 people to pay them $100, then they're not going to get paid. You have to have 8 people in your group. It's a scheme where, it's really encouraging because you're like, oh, if I pay $100 and I, get a group and then I can get 8 people, then I'll get paid. But you basically lose money to that person, and you got to work really hard to convince other people that they can join your group and that they're going to get that money. But then one of them won't get the money, most likely, because they won't be able to convince enough people in their circle, and then they won't get it. Sometimes on Cash App, these people will scheme and they won't actually keep you in the group. They'll block you and they'll just take your money. So it's definitely a problem. So is the Cash App wheel game a scam? Yes, it is. Many people are taking advantage of people right now who are unemployed, don't have a lot of money, or just nervous about their money and are finding ways to make more money. And it's not a scalable. You have to recruit 8 people. You don't know if you're going to be able to convince that many people that it's a working system. People are going to be weary. Whenever they hear that it's get rich quick, they're going to think, oh, I don't know about that. It's definitely a scam, and you should definitely avoid this. There are other Cash App scams as well where people say, like, hey, if you deposit $10, you can get your $100 reward. And it's kind of the same idea with the transaction, except they're in groups of people. And then people will block you in turn and take your money. And that's happened to many people. So that is another scam to watch out for. So do you want a legit way to make money online? A real, scalable, sustainable way to make money online? Well, there is a real way. And one way to do it is through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you refer somebody to a product. You don't have anybody under you. You don't need to recruit anybody under you. It's not like a scheme or a pyramid scheme. You basically are an affiliate for different companies like Walmart, Home Depot, maybe a digital education company, maybe some sort of course online, maybe Amazon. There's all these different companies that you can be an affiliate for. You refer them to a product, any product in that system that the affiliate link will work for. They click on your link after you do a review of the product or recommend them to it. And then if they buy it, you might get 50% of the commission, 80%, even 100% of the commission sometimes. So it's a great way to earn sustainable money because, when you're getting 50% of a sale and you make a lot of sales and the sales are coming in with reputable companies, people are going to buy from those people. So as long as you put it in the right frame, people are going to click and buy and you're going to get commissions. I've made money doing affiliate marketing. Tons of people make tons of money doing affiliate marketing. And if you want to make 6 to 7 figures online with affiliate marketing by scaling up and by learning from the pros, then I'm going to drop a link in the description. It's drewbusinessaccelerator.com/entre. And you can click there and learn more about how you can become an expert marketer and make 6 to 7 figures online. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.